Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AliExpress dropship alerts for order processing, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the AliExpress website. Log in to your AliExpress account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the account icon in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the account icon to access your account settings. In the account settings menu, find and select the notifications option. You will now see various notification settings available for your account. Look for the section specifically related to dropshipping alerts. Toggle the switch to enable order processing alerts. Ensure that the alerts are set to your preferred notification method, whether email or app notifications. Once you have adjusted your settings, scroll to the bottom of the page and hit the Save button. After saving, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. Next, check your email preferences to ensure you have allowed notifications from AliExpress. If you wish to manage notifications on the AliExpress mobile app, open the app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. Navigate to the Profile section, typically found at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Settings and then tap on Notifications. Make sure order processing alerts are enabled in the app settings as well. After adjusting the app settings, close the app and reopen it to confirm the changes take effect. Keep an eye on your chosen notification method for updates on your orders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.